Hi, I'm Felice. I've been with Glencore since 2013 when I started in the graduate program. I studied chemical and metallurgical engineering at the University of Queensland. Now I'm the production and coal quality engineer at Liddell Coal in the Hunter Valley, New South Wales. It's a dual role. Half my role is coal quality logistics and the other half is improvement. So I head up a lot of the business improvement projects on site. I've been very fortunate with Glencore. My career path has varied quite a lot. I originally came in as a process engineer and now I've transitioned more into the pit. I'm about to start studying for my open cut examiner's ticket and my intention is to get my mine manager's ticket. As a business, Glencore gives you a lot of independence. From the day I started, I was really encouraged to be independent, take initiative, but still work within the team. I like working under a framework that lets me do my job and trusts me to do my job. Through the grad program, I did a Certificate 4 in Frontline Management, which was a really good course. At uni, they teach you the technical side, but not necessarily how to deal with people. You can have the best idea in the world, but if people don't want to do it, it's not going to get across the line. I'm supported very well day to day in my job. It's a team culture and we're quite a lean operation compared to a lot of other companies, so we do depend on each other a fair bit for support. There's a big focus on safety here for obvious reasons. I've worked at some companies where safety is driven in such a way that it becomes meaningless, whereas at Glencore, we're very much about keeping it practical. Staying safe is very much about following your procedures, but here at Glencore, our procedures are written by people who actually know how to do the job. They're not written by someone in an office who has nothing to do with it. The key thing is to ensure the guys on the floor are fully involved in developing the procedures. One thing I really noticed coming to Glencore was the openness. You can approach senior leadership. They're the guys who walk down the corridors. They're here every week. So when the people making the big decisions are on site all the time, it really makes a big difference. It really gives you a good understanding of what's going on and makes you feel like you're part of the culture. I always say to new graduates I meet that you've got to challenge yourself, start and go hard, and ask for feedback. It's a really important part of professional development. I like working for Glencore because I feel trusted to do my job. And Glencore is very much a company that will give you opportunities if you're prepared to work for it.